This classic 1960s mid-century dress was donated by a follower and fellow Minnesotan. They found it at an estate sale many years ago in Devil's Lake, North Dakota. And I love that little card there. And they remember it being the estate sale of the jeweler in town and the jeweler's wife, but could not remember the name. I did some research, and I believe that that store is now closed. I was hoping to find more information on the original bride of this, but as of yet, I haven't found any. But it's a classic mid-century sheath-style dress with a slightly raised waist, and you can see there the Union label in the classic 1960s style. I was surprised to see another dress as well, and this one had belonged to a friend that they were not interested in keeping the dress, so they sent that to me as well. And that one is from the early 2000s. And that one I did clean already. I did a soak in that to get the yellowing out. And that one has sold already from my Etsy. But let's get started on this one. So it has general oxidation, and there are spots mainly on the bottom part of the skirt. And as you know, we take the buttons off so they don't rust. And I'm starting off with Retro Wash, a bit of Dawn, and some washing soda in warm water. For this soak, that was done for a half an hour, and we love to see that yellow water. And then now for the prolonged soak, 1 cup of sodium perborate that I dissolved in boiling water, put it in my little tub within the tub, and I let that go for 20 hours and put different things on top of it to keep it submerged because it wants to pop up. And I let that air dry, and then, of course, these become so wrinkled after you wash them and soak them. But I took my lovely iron and did some pressing. Wanted to save the buttons, and they were just a bit dark, so I did spray them with 12% peroxide, and then I cover them completely with baking soda and let that dry. And it perked them up just enough to be able to use them. And the rest of the dress perked up as well. The yellowing is so much better, and I just love this classic mid-century, just a very simple, with just a subtle sheen to the fabric and that beautiful lace. And this one has a train that has a hook and loops on it so that you can actually bustle the train. But the train itself is removable, so it could be worn both ways. The dress has such a subtle elegance to it with the lace on there. And this dress is very small. It's on my dress form with a 22-inch waist, but I'm hoping there is someone out there that this dress will appeal to and that it is ready once again for another special day around 60 years later.